2.
Hi, my name is Jared Simpson here with MarineMax in Boston, and today we're aboard a 2018 Aquila 36 Power Cat. This is a recent trade-in for MarineMax. The boat only has 130 hours on the twin joystick 300 Mercury Verados. As you can see, the boat has a C-deck flooring. There's the upgraded ultra leather exterior seating. Moving forward, the cockpit refrigerator freezer. Large storage area on the starboard side. Boat also has the electric grill option. This boat is a full glass option with a power sunroof, large power sunroof in the headliner. There's two Ray Marine hybrid touch 12-inch MFDs. Also has radar, depth, and with the joystick system, the boat also has skyhook, and this is also an autopilot. We have two equal cabins on either side of the boat, port and starboard. So two couples could go away for a weekend, have their own private heads. Air conditioning. This is one of the only 36-foot boats where you could easily fit 15 to 20 people due to the width of the Power Cat. Large bow area. And the seat here to port is also convertible and turns into a sun lounge. Additional storage in the deck. Remote control spotlight on the hardtop. It fits for the perfect day boat or the perfect weekend getaway cruising. If you'd like additional information, please give us a call. My cell number is 781-727-0629.